Hello everyone, today we're going to go through the answer on this question I asked you lot last time. So if you've not already seen this episode, please go back and watch it as the last one. You'll be able to find the playlist and you can go back to it there. Now we're going to go through the answer today. Now I've got the answer here, but I'm actually going to load up a separate Python file and we'll go through it line by line. Now the best way of doing this is starting off with creating a variable called choice. This will be the user's choice. We'll set it to nothing at the moment, set it to a blank string, because we don't want them to have inputted anything yet. Now we'll create a menu, and we'll call this, we'll just call it menu, and then this will be the items in the menu. So that's pizza, we've also got burger, sandwich, and fish. They are the items in our menu. Now we'll create a while loop, and this is where the second hint came in. While variable is not equal to list, index, etc. And this is what this would look like. So while choice is not equal to menu 0, or choice is not equal to menu 1, or choice is not equal to menu.
There is a more efficient way of doing this, but that is a bit more complicated and we're not going to go over it today.
2, or choice is not equal to menu 3. Now that looks very confusing and long, and we could shorten it down easily with a for loop somewhere, but I'm not gonna. It's a bit more advanced and it wouldn't quite work with the whiles. You'd have to do a few more adjustments and it'd make it very complicated. So we're just going to do it in this nice simple way for now. Next, we want to output something, so we want to print we have, and then print the menu, and that will print what's in the menu. And we'll say choice equals input, and we'll ask them what would you like. And then we'll be able to get a choice off of them. Now, here comes the if statement. So if choice is equal to menu 0, or choice is equal to menu 1, etc. Now, a good way of doing this is copying this, like so, and then or 2, or 3. Then we'll print. Oh, that is not the word print. Thanks for selecting, comma, choice, like so. And then this will print thanks for selecting, and then their choice. Now we're going to use this keyword break here, which will break out of the while loop and stop the while loop from running. Else, if the choice is something that we don't know of, we'll print we don't have. So my spelling is not with it today. Choice. And this is basically it. Now, if you can guess what the marks are here, based on the question, well, I'll just show you. The first mark is for menu. For creating this list, that's 1 mark right there for creating this. So if you've got a list that looks anything like this with these 4 items in, that you've got 1 mark. The next mark is this while here. You get 1 mark for this. Now, even if you don't have all the 4 choices, to get 1 mark here, you need to at least have 2 choices. So, or you need the key thing to get the mark here is the while and the or. So if you've only got while choice is not equal to menu 0, you won't get a mark. If you've got at least 2, you'll get the mark. All 4 doesn't get you any extra marks, it just gets it correct. Next, we'll get a mark for printing we have and then the menu, because if we refer back to the question, it does actually ask you to create a list, print the menu to the user, output the menu. So that is 1 mark. Next, we're asking for their choice. That's another mark. Now this if statement is 1 mark as well. It works the same as the while. So if you've only got 2, you'll get 1 mark. Still, it's the exact same. This print here, that's 1 mark. The break, you don't get a mark for that, because it didn't actually say that you had to break out the loop. It was just kind of common sense there. 1 mark for the else, and 1 mark for this output here. And as you can see, we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marks from this, which is, yeah, pretty, it looks quite confusing, but it's not too bad. Now, if we go and test it, let me drag this over here, and we'll run this. As you can see, it asks, we print, we have pizza, burger, sandwich, and fish. What would you like? If I say burger, thanks for selecting burger. However, if we now rerun it, and we put in cheese and ham sandwich, I don't know. Now, we've got sandwich, but we don't specifically have cheese and ham sandwich. It says we don't have cheese and ham sandwich. And it will ask you to print it again. And you can just do this for as long as, until you finally print something in the list. And there you go. So that is this done. 8 marks of programming right here. So I hope you did enjoy this. And unlucky if you didn't quite get it. If you did, really well done, because it was quite hard. It wasn't very simple. And I'll hopefully see you in the next episode. So thanks for watching, and goodbye, everyone.